Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to log out on YouTube Music. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your YouTube Music application, which of course I've done right here. And the next thing is where exactly can you install the app from. If you're using an Android phone, you can get it on Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can get it on Apple Store. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type YouTube Music, then follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign-in page. Now, I would like you to know that YouTube Music is integrated into your Google account, so signing in is hassle-free. Now, once you sign in, it takes you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time with YouTube Music. So now that here's quickly hop into today's text, and that's how to log out on YouTube Music. Let's say you're done listening to a song and it has made you feel relaxed and song made you feel good. You're done exploring YouTube Music. You used it to work out, you use it to energize, you use it to feel good, you use it to relax, you use it to party, you use it to commute, you use it to do romance, you use it to feel really sad, and you used it to focus, and you used it to sleep, and now you just want to log out because you really want to take a break. Here's how I can log out. On this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You have the profile icon in there, so click on your profile icon and that takes you here. So go ahead and click on the settings option, and once you click on the settings option, the next thing that you like to do is to clicking on the settings icon takes you right here, and you see that it's not possible for you to log out. And why is that? It's because YouTube Music is integrated into your Google account, so for you to get out of YouTube Music, you just need to sign out. So now you can click on your manage your Google account and just say click on manage account. And once you click on manage account, okay, it's very okay. So you can just follow through the instructions right there to sign out. All right, but it's not possible for you to log out, all right, of YouTube Music, except you have to click on help and feedback and connect with the customer service. Let them know that you just want to take a break and they're going to pause your account for you. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.